I've bent my steps, the watchman spake. The long dark night is almost over, the morning soon will break. Then weep no more, but speed thy flight, with hope's bright star thy guiding ray, till thou shalt reach the realms of light in everlasting day. I asked the warrior on the field, this was his soul in spring song. With courage bold, the sword I'll wield. The battle is not long, then weep no more, but will endure the conflict till thy work is done. For this we know the prize is sure, when victory is won. I asked again, earth, sea, and sun seemed with one voice to make reply. Time's wasting sands are nearly run, eternity is nigh. Then weep no more, with warning tones, portentous signs are thickening around. The whole creation waiting groans to hear the trumpet sound. Not far from home, oh blessed thought, the traveler's lonely heart to cheer, with oft a healing balm has brought and dried the